Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. Welcome to a new video. Today, we're going to uncover one of the dirtiest and most business-driven scientific races in history. A story of billions of dollars, secrecy, and a race to decode the greatest secret of life, the human genome. The full map of our DNA. 3 billion letters that determine who we are, our diseases, our traits. The government led a global project with billions from taxpayers, led by Francis Collins. Against a private company, led by the bold Craig Venter, who said, "I'll do it faster and cheaper," and sell the data to pharmaceutical companies. Accusations of theft, spying on public data, political pressure, and a surprising joint announcement. 7th episode in the Clash of Scientists series. Stay with me till the end, you'll be shocked, and walk away with powerful, inspiring lessons about competition, ethics, and how business can push science forward. Let's get started. In 1990, the Human Genome Project started, a global alliance led by America, NIH, and Britain, Wellcome Trust. Francis Collins, a devout scientist, took over in 1993. The goal: map the entire human genome by 2005. Billions of dollars, data free for the whole world. The method: slow, careful, like building a cathedral, sequencing every letter precisely. No profits, no patents, just pure science for humanity. Collins said, "This is not about money, it's about understanding life itself." But, in the shadows, a private player was preparing to change everything. Craig Venter, a bold scientist. Vietnam veteran, millionaire, in 1998 founded Celera Genomics. He said, "The government project is too slow and too expensive. I'll decode the genome in 3 years, with shotgun sequencing, and sell the data to drug companies." He bought hundreds of the most expensive sequencing machines in the world, assembled a small team, and announced the race officially. Venter was fast, aggressive, commercial. Collins was shocked, called it a threat to public science. The war was on, private versus public, profit versus humanity. Collins was furious, said Venter is turning science into business. He's stealing our public data to sell it. Venter fired back, the government is slow and wasting taxpayer money. Accusations flew. Celera was accused of using public data from the government project to speed up. Collins pressured Congress and President Clinton. Venter pressured investors. Newspapers were full of dirty media war, the world watching. The race intensified, who would finish first? In 2000, Venter announced he finished first. But Collins refused to accept. President Clinton intervened, forced a joint announcement. June 26, 2000. In the White House. Collins and Venter stood side by side, announced, "We've decoded the genome together." The truth? The government version was more accurate and free. Celera's was faster but incomplete. The government published the final version in 2003. Venter's company made profits, but the world got free access to the genome, thanks to the public project. The genome race, a dirty business clash that changed science forever. Venter pushed for speed. Collins protected ethics and free access. The result? Genetic medicine, cancer treatments. CRISPR, all from this race. The big lesson, my friends: competition, even dirty, can push science forward, but ethics must guide it. Venter said, speed saves lives. Collins said, science belongs to everyone. You too, if you have a dream or idea, don't fear competition, but don't forget ethics. Keep innovating, keep sharing, because your work could save lives, change the world. What do you think? Was Venter a genius or opportunist? Collins a hero or slow? Write in the comments. If you loved the video, like, share, subscribe with the bell, so we reach 100K together fast, God willing. Peace be upon you and God's mercy, and see you in the next clash. DNA collision.